Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are studying the chapter polynomial, and in this chapter the last practice set 3.6 question number 2, which is the last topic of this chapter. Question number 2 is factorize the following polynomials. The example is, actually this is the third example of this question number 2. We are taking this at first. The example is in bracket x square minus 6x bracket square minus 8 into bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 bracket complete minus 64. When we see this example, friends, it is clear that there is a common term x square minus 6x and this is x square minus 6x. So for solving this example, to factorize it, we have to substitute this x square minus 6x by another variable. Suppose we have to substitute this x square minus 6x by m. Where there is x square minus 6x, we substitute m for it. So x square minus 6x bracket square. So instead of x square minus 6x, m is there. So it becomes m square minus 8 as it is in bracket. X square minus 6x becomes m and remaining plus 8 as it is minus 64. We have to solve this bracket. 8 into bracket m plus 8, m square as it is, minus 8 into m minus 8m, minus 8 into plus 8 minus into plus minus 8 8 are 64. So and this minus 64 as it is. Now friends, this minus 64 and minus 64 becomes minus 28. When we see this example at this step, it is clear that it becomes a quadratic trinomial. Coefficient of square term is 1. 1 into minus 124, it becomes minus 128. Minus 128. We have to factorize minus 128 such that the subtraction is 8 and product is 128. So the factors are 16 and 8. 16 8 are 128. We are going to subtract means we give the greater sign, the sign of middle term to the greater one and opposite to smaller one. Means instead of this minus 8m, we write it minus 16m plus 8m. Minus 16m plus 8m. Now take these two terms and these last two terms. In m square minus 16m, m is taken common. From m square m is taken, then m is remain. From minus 16m, m is taken common, minus 16 is there. Similarly, this 8m minus 128. Minus 128 is written as minus 16 into 8. So, plus 8 is taken common. Here m and minus 8 is taken common, minus 16. When we see this, these two brackets m minus 16 and m minus 16 are common in both the terms. So we take it common, m minus 16. In second bracket, what is remain? M plus 8. This is our second bracket. So the factors of this quadratic trinomial are m minus 16 and m plus 8. But when we see our example, it is in the variable x. So we resubstitute. Resubstitute means we again come for the variable x, but we know that m is taken for x square minus 6x, means we substitute x square minus 6x at m. Here this is m, so x square minus 6x minus 16 as it is. Again x square minus 6x instead of this m, 8 as it is. When we see these two brackets, also we get the two quadratic trinomials. So we solve them, we factorize them. Minus 16 into 1, minus 16. This minus 16 is factorized as their product is 16 and subtraction is 6. So our factors are 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16. Sign of middle term to the greater one and sign opposite to the smaller one. Means this minus 6x is replaced as minus 8x plus 2. Minus 8x plus 2. Now in the another bracket, 8 into 1, 8. This 8 is factorized as sum is minus 6. Means 4 to the 8. We are going to add them, means we give the sign of middle term to the both. Means what? This minus 6x is split into minus 4x minus 2x. Okay. Now consider this first bracket. The first two terms are x square minus 8x. X is taken common. X minus 8, because this x is taken common. X into bracket x minus 8. 2 is taken common. 6 to the 8. X and 6 to the 2 8 the 16. X minus 8. This x minus 8 taken common. What is remaining in another bracket? X plus 2. This is the another bracket. Means these are the factors of this one. Okay, this one. Now in this first two terms are x square minus 4x and last two terms are minus 2x plus 8. X is taken common. X minus 4. Minus 2 taken common. X minus 4. Okay. Minus 4. X minus 4. X minus 4 taken common. What is remain? X minus 2. In this way, friends, these are the factors of the given polynomial. X minus 8, x plus 2, x minus 4, x minus 2 are the factors of our this polynomial. Okay. In this way, this example is complete now. Now friends, see the example 2. The example 2 is x square minus x bracket complete x square minus 8 into bracket x square minus x bracket complete plus 12. Here when we see the example, a term x square minus x appears similar. So we substitute m for x square minus x. When we substitute m for x square minus x bracket square, that is square of m, x square minus x, that is m, it becomes m square minus 8m plus 12. When we see this is a trinomial, quadratic trinomial. So we factorize this 12 such that 12 is factorized such that addition is 8. 6 to the 8. 6 to the 8. And we are adding them, means we give the sign of middle term to the both. Means factors of 12 are minus 6 minus 12. 2. Minus 6 into minus 2, that is plus 12. So friends, this minus 8m is written as minus 6m minus 2m. The group of this first two and group of this second two. M is taken common, m minus 6. Minus 2 is taken common, m minus 6. M minus 6 and m minus 6 are common, so we take it. So in the second bracket, m minus 2. The factors of this m square minus 8m plus 12 are m minus 6 and m minus 2. But friends, our polynomial in the variable x, so we resubstitute x square minus x for m. This one becomes x square minus x minus 6. Instead of m, x square minus x and this minus 2. X square minus x minus 6. This is a quadratic trinomial. This is another quadratic trinomial. This minus 6 is factorized that subtraction is 1, that is 3 to the 6. Minus 3, this x is split as minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, and similarly minus 2 is factorized that 2 1 the 2, minus 2 plus 1. So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Here x is taken common, in bracket x minus 3. Plus 2 is taken common, x minus 3, because minus 6 is written as minus 3 into 2. So this 2 is taken common, what is remain? Minus 3. So this is minus 3. Similarly, x is taken common, x minus 2 plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 taken common, in the bracket x plus 2, this is the second bracket, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 is taken common, what is remain? X plus 1. In this way, the factors of our given polynomial are x minus 3, x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1 are the factors of this given polynomial. Now friends, come for the next example, that is in bracket x minus 5 bracket square minus in bracket 5x minus 25 minus 24. When we see this example, x minus 5 is here for replacing, but in the second bracket there is no term similar to this. But when we see this term, it is possible to us to convert this in x minus 5. So 5 is taken common, x 25 means 5 5 is 25. So minus 5, this taken common, x minus 5. Now friends, x minus 5 bracket square and x minus 5 are similar. So we substitute m for x minus 5. So what happened? M square minus 5, this is again m minus 24. Now friends, again this is a quadratic trinomial, m square minus 5m minus 24. Friends, we are going to factorize this minus 24. Minus 24 is factorized as the sum subtraction is 5. Subtraction is 5. 8 3 the 24. We are going to subtract means give the sign of middle term to the greater one and opposite to the smaller one. Means friend, this minus 5m is written as minus 8m plus 3m. Minus 8m plus 3m. So take the group of this first two and group of this second two. M is taken common from m square. M is more. From minus 8m, m is taken. Minus 8 is there. Plus 3 is taken common. M minus 8. M minus 8. M minus 8 is taken common in another bracket. M plus 3. M plus 3. But friends, these are the factors of this one. But we want the factors of this one means in the variable x. So we resubstitute x minus 5 for m. We substitute x minus 5 for m. So m is x minus 5. This minus as it is. M is x minus 5 plus 3 as it is. X minus 5 minus 8. Minus 5 minus 8 becomes minus 13. X minus 13. Minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2. X minus 2. Hence, the factors of this polynomial are x minus 13 and x minus 2. Okay? In this way, friends, we had completed this total chapter polynomials. For the another videos of this chapter, you have to subscribe this channel. Thank you.